You ever feel like you're just working to get ready again to go back to work? It's all about work. It's like the only thing you're working for is to, you will see out of working really is if you get a house and I guess to take care of your children. Because when you're working on that money, if you have a car, that money goes back into maintaining your vehicle or paying car loan to take it to work, you know, and all that to and from work that is the thing really that put wear and tear on your vehicle. But at the end of the day, most of your driving is to and from work, especially if you live a little distance from work, you know. So your salary, a big chunk of your salary is paying car loan, paying car insurance, maintaining your car, servicing your car, if you pay somebody to wash your car, car registration, car fitness, all of that, you know. The weekend come now, you get the 2 days, you should be resting and relaxing. It's really about preparing for work, because like me, if I carry lunch, I have to make sure I cook and have something to carry for lunch. I have to wash and iron. So that is all a weekend and basically taking up with getting ready to go back to work Monday morning. You know, God bless you if you get a little sleep on Sunday or so to rest up yourself. But if you're working corporate, you have to dress a certain way, you know, like an executive sort of way. And even the regular people who are going to work, them have to buy clothes. And also, when you work, that is the work that stresses you, and you end up have to spend money on doctor fee. So a lot of older folks, if you don't keep healthy, you end up spending so much of your money on doctor fee. If you work in a toxic environment, that even make you get sick even more. Lunch money, some people don't carry lunch every day, they have to buy lunch. And sometimes you don't have the time to make a proper breakfast, you have to buy breakfast on the road or some snacks or whatever it is. As I say, look at your money you work, most of the money that you work going straight back into preparing to go back to work, or maintaining yourself day to day for survival for work.